Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Have you ever had a user tell you they are 100% sure their Wi-Fi password is correct, but they still can't connect to the internet? Before you reset the router, before you dive into advanced troubleshooting, try this first. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and re-add a Wi-Fi network in Windows. This is a simple but very effective troubleshooting step that can resolve many connectivity issues. I've used this method in real IT environments and outside of work with consistent results. Let's walk through it step by step. The first thing is to confirm the network details. Before deleting anything, confirm two things: the exact network name and the correct Wi-Fi password. Always verify this before proceeding. Even a small typo in the password or capital letter difference can prevent a successful connection. If they're unsure, have them verify the password directly from the label on the router to avoid guesswork. Let's pretend you're on a call with an end user. So, let's navigate to the wireless icon in the bottom right corner, and this will display the Wi-Fi networks in the area. The end user internet service provider is this Verizon wireless network. More than likely, the user would have disconnected and reconnected several times, and they still cannot access the internet. Or when they try to connect, they get this error message: "Can't connect to this network." In this scenario, the user's password is correct, but the device still won't connect to the internet. Instead of assuming the password is wrong or that the router is failing, start with this quick fix. Right-click the Verizon network. Click Forget. This removes the saved wireless profile from the system and clears any potentially corrupted credentials. You are now disconnected from Wi-Fi. Also, the globe icon in the bottom right corner of Windows confirms you are disconnected from the Wi-Fi network with no internet connectivity. Right-click the globe icon. Open Network and Internet Settings. Wi-Fi. Manage known networks. Click Add a new network. Enter the exact network name. Choose the security type, typically WPA2 Personal, AES. Most home and business routers use WPA2 Personal with AES encryption, so this setting works in most environments. However, if the network is configured for WPA3 or mixed mode, which is a combination of WPA2 and WPA3, the security type may differ. In those cases, you can allow Windows to automatically detect the security type by selecting the network from Show Available Networks instead of manually adding it. I'll cover WPA3 specific troubleshooting in a separate video. Let's proceed with the next step. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Check Connect automatically. Click Save. Then go back by clicking the arrow in the top left-hand corner. Click Show Available Networks. Select the Verizon network and select Connect. After reconnecting, confirm the user can access websites. Always verify functionality before ending the call. If there are no ISP or router side issues, this step often resolves the problem. This simple step resolves more Wi-Fi connection issues than router resets or advanced troubleshooting in many cases. Always start simple before going advanced. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more practical IT troubleshooting tips.